Hello everyone, hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are going to discuss some problems and solutions of compound interest topic. Previously we have uploaded partnership problems, simple interest, time and work, watch them also. So without making any delay, let's get started. These questions have been gathered and selected from previous year competitive examinations, so practice well. Let's get started. The first question is, what will be the compound interest on 19,400 rupees for 2 years? The rate of interest for first year is 6% and for the second year is 20%. Here the principal is given as 19,400 rupees, time period is 2 years, and the rate of interest is varied. For first year it is 6% and for second year is 20%. Let's see how to solve this. These are the options. Firstly, the principal 19,400 is given and the rate of interest for first year is 6%, for second year is 20%. Now we will calculate the first year interest, that is 6 by 100 into 19,400. After cancellation we get 1164. This is the first year interest, and now we will add this first year interest to the principal. So 19,400 plus 1,164, that gives 20,564. This 20,564 is the principal for second year. We know that in compound interest the interest and principal varies every year. In compound interest the principal varies every year. We have to add the principal for the interest after every year. So 20 by 100, the second year rate of interest is 20%. 20% into 20,564. On cancellation we get 41128, 2.8. This is the second year interest. Now in the question what he asked to identify the compound interest of 2 years. So we will sum up the first year interest and second year interest, that is 1164 plus 4112.2.8 rupees, that gives 5276.8 rupees. This is the total compound interest, 5276.8. So first option is correct answer. Let's move to the second question. Vinita invested certain amount at a rate of 8% per annum for 5 years and got a simple interest of 3,800 rupees. Had she invested the same amount at the same rate of interest for 2 years, how much amount would she get as compound interest? It means here the simple interest is given for 5 years. The 5-year simple interest is 3,800. We don't know the principal, and they asked that if she invested the same amount for the same rate of interest for 2 years, how much amount would she get as compound interest? In this question we have to identify the compound interest, but in the question it was given amount. In order to confuse us, they gave the word called amount, but we have to identify the compound interest. Let's see how to solve this. Simple interest for 5 years is 3,800. Simple interest for 1 year is 3,800 by 5, 760 rupees. And we know the famous formula PTR by 100 equal to I. We don't know the principal, so principal is P, time period is 1 year, rate of interest is 8 by 100, and 1 year interest is 760 rupees. After cancellation we get principal as 9,500 rupees. So finally we have achieved principal. Now what to do? We have to identify the compound interest of 2 years at 8% rate of interest. So 8 by 100 into 9,500, that is 760. 760 is the first year compound interest, and again we will calculate 8% for this 760. We get 60.8. This 60.8 is added to the first year interest, 820.8. This is the second year compound interest. So in the question it was asked that to find out the total compound interest of 2 years, that is 760 rupees and 820.8 rupees, that gives 1580.8. So 1580, option D is the right answer. The thing we have to remember here is whether it is simple interest or compound interest, the first year interest is same for both. The first year interest is same for both SI and CI. Note this point. And there is another method for this question. It's a simple method. Without identifying the principal, we can solve the answer. The simple interest for 5 years is 3580 and simple interest for first year is 760. This first year simple interest is also equals to first year compound interest. First year simple interest is equal to first year compound interest. From second year onwards it varies. So 8% into 760, that gives 608 by 10 and 60.8. This 60.8 is added to the first year interest. We get 820.8, that is second year compound interest. Now adding the first year compound interest and second year compound interest, we get 1580.80 pice. Like this we can solve without calculating the principal. In the next video we will upload the part 2. Till then, thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.